What sets Bombardier apart as a leading player in business aviation, particularly when other companies are struggling to remain competitive? From revolutionary aircraft designs to bold strategic pivots, Bombardier has consistently soared above its competitors. The company has established itself as a leader in luxury and efficiency, attributed to its strong emphasis on innovation and exceptional customer service. Bombardier's ascent in the market provides valuable insights into manufacturing excellence and adaptability, relevant for both aircraft enthusiasts and industry professionals. Join us as we uncover the top 5 reasons behind Bombardier's remarkable success, particularly with the Challenger 3500, as well as their continued growth in the aviation industry.
This is Aviation Federation, sharing with you exciting information about the latest and greatest in aviation and beyond.
Reason 1. Flight discipline. The Bombardier Challenger 3500, or formerly Challenger 350, reflects the company's ability to match performance with long-term practicality. Powered by 2 Honeywell HDF 7350 turbofans, generating 7,323 pound force, or 3.322 kilopound force of thrust each, it cruises at 553 knots, or 1,024 kilometers per hour, and covers up to 3,400 nautical miles, or 6,297 kilometers. With a service ceiling of 45,000 feet, or 13,716 meters, and fuel burn of 239 gallons, or 905 liters per hour, it delivers stable performance over extended routes. This aircraft requires 4,835 feet, or 1,474 meters for takeoff, and 2,364 feet, or 721 meters for landing. Bombardier's commitment to reliability over spectacle has made it a trusted name in business aviation. Instead of chasing features that fade, the company emphasizes control, range, and functional design. The Challenger 3500 is not just a technical product, it's the result of measured engineering aligned with real-world flight needs. Operators rely on its predictability, and pilots appreciate its straightforward systems. That sense of control, reinforced through consistent outcomes, plays a major role in Bombardier's long-standing credibility with buyers. Reason 2. Strategic focus. Bombardier's strength lies not in offering every kind of aircraft, but in knowing which ones matter. By stepping away from the crowded commercial segment, the company concentrated resources where it had both experience and market demand. This decision narrowed the product line but strengthened overall quality. The result is a fleet of business jets that share systems, build consistency, and reduce training time. Key concerns for operators managing uptime and logistics. This focused approach allows Bombardier to better understand its users and adapt accordingly. Without spreading itself thin across different aviation sectors, the company has created room to refine production, streamline maintenance, and respond quickly to changing flight demands. In a competitive landscape, that kind of clarity often makes the difference between surviving and growing. Bombardier has chosen to grow, not by expanding in all directions, but by going deeper into one. Its ability to align long-term goals with a concentrated product vision continues to shape every major decision it makes. Reason 3. Innovative design. Bombardier doesn't chase change for its own sake. It applies new thinking with purpose. The Challenger 3500 is a clear example. From its automated lighting and voice-controlled cabin functions to upgraded avionics, the aircraft introduces features that serve daily use, not just decoration. Flight crews benefit from streamlined interfaces, and maintenance teams get better access to diagnostic tools. The aircraft retains its 553 knot or 1,024 km/h speed and 3,400 nautical mile or 6,297 km range, but enhances usability with intelligent upgrades that simplify tasks. These improvements aren't added for show. They're built to reduce friction and make operations more intuitive. This approach gives Bombardier an edge in a market where rushed features often become liabilities. Rather than layering on tools that increase workload, the company adopts advances only when they support a better flight experience or stronger reliability. Engineers are encouraged to rethink not just components but workflows, how the aircraft is flown, how it's maintained, and how it integrates with digital tools. That mindset keeps Bombardier at the front of meaningful progress, even when it's not the loudest player in the room. Reason 4. Operational consistency. Bombardier's long-term success is anchored in consistency. Across its fleet, there is a clear design language that reduces disruption for operators. Pilots transitioning between models encounter familiar layouts, flight systems, and cockpit workflows. Maintenance crews benefit from shared components and service protocols, allowing quicker turnaround and fewer surprises. The Challenger series, including the 3500, demonstrates this philosophy well. Though improvements have been added over time, the core logic remains intact. That continuity helps reduce training overhead, simplifies spare parts sourcing, and keeps daily operations smoother across mixed fleets. This kind of uniformity isn't about staying static, it's about staying reliable. When Bombardier makes a change, it's to resolve a real issue, not to chase attention. As a result, operators feel confident introducing new jets into their rotation without fear of retraining entire teams. That level of predictability not only appeals to experienced buyers, it builds long-term trust. It's also why Bombardier has received multiple accolades, including top rankings in customer support surveys and recognition from leading aviation publications. These awards aren't just for standout features, they reflect years of dependable delivery and practical thinking. In a high-stakes industry, consistency isn't just useful, it's a competitive advantage. We're just about to reveal the #1 pick in our countdown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-altitude content, and share this video with fellow aviation fans or future jet owners. Got a favorite aircraft or a hot take on these rankings? Drop it in the comments because the top picks from the discussions might get featured. Also, be sure to visit the Posts tab on our channel to vote in our weekly polls. Your choice could influence what we cover next. Reason 5. Market understanding. Bombardier doesn't just build aircraft, it reads its buyers. Decades in business aviation have taught the company what matters most to decision makers: predictable range, durable systems, and responsive support. Rather than overwhelm clients with options they won't use, Bombardier focuses on what actually serves their operations. And importantly, Bombardier listens. Its updates aren't driven by industry trends alone, but by feedback from those who fly and service the aircraft every day. Whether it's a revised cabin interface or a maintenance access point, small changes often carry significant impact. This habit of direct response keeps its fleet grounded in reality. Rather than design for hypothetical scenarios, Bombardier refines its aircraft around lived experience. That approach creates more useful machines, not just more advanced ones. It's this responsiveness, steady and consistent, that keeps aviation enthusiasts coming back. The Challenger 3500 is a direct result of that mindset. It delivers exactly what most private and charter operators are looking for, without overreaching into features that inflate cost or complexity. Supporting up to 10 passengers, This aircraft also fits into a pricing bracket that balances operational value with long-term sustainability, and the current price is now pegged at $26.7 million. What keeps an aviation brand flying high for decades? Bombardier's success lies in its commitment to understanding and responding to the needs of its airborne and ground-based clients, demonstrating a focus on active listening, adaptation, and effective delivery. From consistent design to thoughtful upgrades and strategic focus, Bombardier has proven with a Challenger 3500 that clarity beats excess. Which of these 5 reasons do you think plays the biggest role in their continued success? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more insights on the world of aviation. News stories are always just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and as always, fly safe!